Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to remove a card on Temu. Now, if you have a debit card or credit card that you want to remove in Temu, it is very easy. We are going to do this on the desktop, the website itself. You can do this on your mobile device as well. But for this example, we are going to do it on our computer. All you need to do is go to your profile here and hover here, as you can see here. And what you want to do is click on your profile. It is the third option. And you will be brought to this page. Now look on your right hand side, and this is going to be your main menu. All you need to do is click on your payment methods, which is the fourth option from the bottom. So click this and you will be brought to this page. Now what you want to do is click on remove here. There's a remove option here. Click on that, and it says here, are you sure you want to delete? And click on delete this card. You're just going to choose whatever concerns regarding data security. Click confirm, and you are good to go. It has been removed. Your card is gone. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.